Hello everyone and welcome to the Healthy Way workshop. My name is Natalie Brown and I'll be your host. I'll be focusing on diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic health condition that is caused when the pancreas fails to produce enough or it is producing too much insulin in the body. Diabetes is ranked the seventh leading cause of death. There are approximately 34.2 million adults in the US living with diabetes. Type 2 diabetes occurs because of several factors, namely age, gender, race, and genetics. People who are 45 years and older are at increased risk of having or developing diabetes depending on their lifestyle. Being a female can increase your risk. Having a close family member can also increase your risk depending on your race, especially if you are Hispanic or Black. It's also an increased risk there for you to develop type 2 diabetes. We can prevent or delay type 2 diabetes by developing a healthy eating habits, exercising daily, maintaining a healthy weight, get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep, quit smoking if you're a smoker, and get a regular checkup by your doctor. To improve your way of life with diabetes, you must consider self-care. Self-care is developing healthy habits in order to promote health, prevent diseases, and coping with illnesses. Some self-care can be taken to improve your quality of life. Taking your medication as prescribed by your doctor and keep your doctor's appointment. Practicing good oral hygiene and visit your dentist at least twice per year. Visit your ophthalmologist at least once per year. If you are a smoker, stop so you can improve your health. Check in your body, especially your feet, to see if there's any cuts, swelling, bruise, which can cause infection. You need to report this to your doctor. Keeping a daily record of your blood sugar reading is also important. Try to be active by checking with your doctor before doing any exercise, and exercise as directed by your doctor. eating healthy by adding more fresh fruits and vegetables, using less or no sugar in your meal, and adding more protein can also help to improve self-care. It is also important to check with your doctor to find out the type of tests you need to do yearly and how to manage your A1C. Knowing your A1C numbers is very important. Doing regular blood pressure tests can also help to improve your quality of life, as well as checking your cholesterol level. Checking your weight regularly also help you to know if you're gaining weight, because the more you lose, the better it is once from it's within a maintaining weight balance. Keeping a journal and recording any changes that you notice so you can tell your doctor the next time you visit him or her. Having diabetes does not mean it's the end. You can have a long and healthy life by changing your eating habits and adjusting your behavior. I want to thank you all for coming out, and remember, the healthy way is the best way.